As an alternative to making gels on slides, you can use gel bond plastic film. We will show how this film is used to set either 12 or 48 gels on one sheet of film. Lysis, enzyme digestion, alkaline treatment and electrophoresis follow, as with glass slides. 4 sheets can be fitted into one electrophoresis tank, so up to 192 gels can be processed in one run.
So we're going to demonstrate molding of 3 times 4 gels, which we normally use for the Comet assay. We have plastic support frames to use to hook the gel bond film, which has a hydrophilic surface, and we have holes in every corner to hook it on, like this, and of course cut one corner to orient correctly. And we place it onto this cold aluminum plate, and we use this heavy metal well frame, which I add onto the gel bond film like this. Then I will transfer the sample over to the agarose gel, which is here on the 37-degree incubator. And mix thoroughly, but careful. I will transfer 60 microliter of the sample agarose mix to each well. I start in the middle and then I streak carefully out to the edges. And these wells have Teflon lining, which makes the gel even in the well there. And the agarose will solidify quite quickly on this cold plate. And now I will remove the heavy well plate. I'll do like this. And there we have 12 agarose gels with cells molded into it. And now we can transfer the gels to lysis buffer, which we have here, which is cold. Now we're going to demonstrate molding of a multi-gel bond film. So I start by hooking on the gel bond film to the plastic support frame, and they have holes in every corner, so it's easy to hook it on to this frame. And it has also a corner which is cut in order to orient the gel bond correctly. And then I place it onto a cold plate, so the gel bond lies flat on the surface. And then I will transfer the samples, which is here on ice. And for that we use this multi-pipette, and here we can adjust distance of the tips. So it works in an Eppendorf rack as well as a 96 well plate. The samples are transferred to the agarose, which is on a 37-degree incubator. The tips with agarose and cells mixed together and dispense them on this cold gel bond film. So now we made 6 times 8 gel dots. The agarose has solidified. Now we have cells molded into these agarose droplets. I transfer that over to lysis buffer, which will incubate now for an hour. Like this. In this tray we can have 4 frames.